Yo, what up people? Today we're gonna learn how to make a roguelike like Enter the Gungeon. So what do we need to make this game? The first thing we need to make is a player character, just like this. Just make a simple little character with no arms. So when that's done, we just need to make a quick, nice looking tile set with 8 different tiles, front wall, side walls, back walls, and 4 corners. Also, we need to make some sexy looking floor tiles to change it up a bit. And when that's done, let's hop into your preferred engine and add in your character and slapping a simple movement script on him. And the next thing you have to do is make the character look towards the mouse. And after that you see me adding in the walls. After that I made a simple little for loop to make the walls fill the entire screen. And now what remained was making the rooms themselves. I went about this by creating an object with random position and random size that deletes any wall it's overlapping. I chose to make multiple objects spawn, but if you want you could just spawn one object and have a rectangular room with different sizes, but I wanted some more variation. And after that I added some simple auto tiling. To make the auto tiling I used a technique called bit masking. It works pretty much like this. Each wall has its own value. And if it's not overlapping anything above it, it gets a value 1. And the 4 to the side, 8 and 2. So basically, if the wall has a wall to the left, right and bottom, it gets a value 1. And 1 would equal a wall that looks like this. And for another example, if a wall would have a wall under it and to the left it will have the value 1 and 4, and that will together become 5, and then it will become a corner. I'm pretty bad at explaining this, but you can search it up and I'm sure you will understand it. So with auto tiling working, all we need to add now is some guns and some enemies. So here we got some guns. So I made a pistol, a submachine gun and a shotgun. And then I hopped into Construct and added them in the game. I also made it so each new start of the game you get a different weapon. For shotgun I added a spread shot. For the pistol I added one single bullet, and I also changed the color to blue later. And for the SMG I made a spray. That is kind of inaccurate as well. With that, all we need now is some enemies. So I made this little guy with a big eye that will shoot bullets at you. And I also made a little shell guy that has spikes on his head, and he just damages you when he collides with you. So then I just added them into the game. I also created a counter to see how many enemies are left, and when the enemy counter reaches 0, the map creates a new room. Now we have the basic game loop. Now we just need some sound effects, and then we get...
Line bouncy bouncy.
丈太郎ディオほう向かってくるのか逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんだな
ほうほうでは十分近づくがよい
I'm firing my laser!
find the game here on my itch page, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, whatever you want, whatever you like. And have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.